G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at July 4th, 2025's Way Border by Clover. Clover's one of our sellers here at Gas HQ. So my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? Happy birthday, America. I think that's how we say it. I'm not going to comment on the title. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create set and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat is for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, let's get into it. So, normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, this is probably the part that if you're watching this video for help, this is probably the part you need help with. Now, what is it? What is this one-way border? So, across each border, between the two across each border between 2 of the 3x3 regions. So what we mean here is this would be one side of the border, and this would be, actually, I'm going to pick one where I'm not giving away what's happening in this puzzle immediately. Let's try this one. So this is one side of the border, and this is one side of the border. Either each different is greater than its neighbor in the adjacent region, or every digit is less than its neighbor in the adjacent region. So what that might mean is if pink is bigger than green, 8, 6 and 5 and 4 and 9 might be a thing, because each one of pink is bigger than its adjacent green. Now, the converse could be true. Green could be larger. Green could be larger than pink. So this could be like 3, 1 and 2, and then 2 and 4. So that's what you need to know to solve today's puzzle. That being said, I'm going to do it now. Let's do it. So 1 is the lowest digit in a Sudoku, so these have to increase going that way. What that means is increasing from 8 is 9, increasing from 7, but can't be 8, must be 8 there. Now, let's look at this one. So this is 2, 3, 6, but always decreasing as it goes along here, so this is actually forced to be 9. Now, this has to decrease, so this is 1. 9 is the biggest digit, so we have to go 1 there. This is 3, this is 6. Now, 6 and 7 mean that this is a 5, this is a 6, 7. We don't know enough to know which way that goes. 2, 5, and 6 along here. Oh, no, not 2, 7. These always have to increase. That's not particularly useful. What else do we know? Let's go down here. 9 means that this has to decrease. So this is 2, 3, 4, or 1, and this is 2 or 3. This always has to increase. That's a 9. That's also not super specific. But 3, 8, 3, 3. Oh, that's a 4, 6 pair. That's pretty helpful. This is 2, 5, 7. Now, 7, 5, and 2. Not 2, 7. Oh, so that's just a 7. Do we know what this is? Yes, we do. This has to increase up that way, so this has to be a 2 and then a 5. 2, 3, and 8. Well, that can't be an 8, so this has to be an 8. And now this is 2 and 3. Still don't know what that is. 5 and 7. 8 and 3. This is a 1. 2, 3, and 8. That's very useful. Why is that useful? Because it doesn't matter whether this is 4 or 6, the only way it can increase into one of the remaining digits in box 6 is this has to be an 8. Alright, what else? 2, 3... still not great. That's an 8 though. This is a 7. 1, 4, 9. That cannot be a 9. This cannot be a 1. That cannot be a 4. I don't know anything else there. 2, 3, and 6. Oh, this is 4 and 6. We have a 1, 4, 9 triple along here in column 2. So that has to be the 4 and that's the 6. And this is a 2, 3 pair. 2, 3 pair in column 1 means that this has to be 1 and 6. These must decrease into that one, so this has to be a 6 and then a 1, 4 and 6. Take the 1 out of there. This is a 2, 3. That's a 3. That's going to do it for us. 2, 3, 3, and 2. Alright, now. This can't be the 1, so that's a 1, that's a 5. This is 1, 8, 9 across the middle. We know exactly how that goes. We've got an 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 1 there and an 8, which means there's going to be 1, 4, 9. These have to decrease because 2 goes down to 1, so that has to be a 2, which makes that 6, 3, 2. Take 6 out of here. That decreases. Does that tell me anything? 4, 6, 7. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Is it? Yes. This can't be a 6 because then it would decrease in that oh, actually. That's going to undo all of it. This is a 6, 7 pair, but this one has to be the small one. So that's a 6, that's a 7. 4, 5, and 6. 7, 6, and then 7, 5, and 3. This has been Way Border by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And I will catch you next time. Bye! Also, happy 4th of July, Americans.